Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this adorable flip top box. I'm going to show you how to make the box, but I decorated two of them so you can see what they look like when they're decorated. We made one similar to this one in the glitter pit yesterday, so if you want to check that video out, I have that listed below. And then we're going to make this one with the cardstock. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's start with the base of your box. I'm using a piece of the Petal Pink 12x12 cardstock, and this is available in the Floral Romance suite in the Occasions catalog. You'll also get in the pack the Mossy Meadow, Fresh Fig, and then also the Petal Pink. So we're going to cut this down together. So let me give you the other measurements for the front of the box, which is right here. Okay. So the Whisper White piece is cut at 2 7/8 by 6 1/8. And then the designer paper, which is also the Floral Romance, it's double-sided. And this piece is cut at 2 3/4 by 6. And it's going to lay it right on top of that together. Okay, so let's grab our paper trimmer. All right, so we're going to cut this down to 9 3/4. So your finished piece is cut at 9 3/4 by 12. Now we're going to turn it on the 12-inch side and we're going to score. I'm going to score it at 1 inch. 4 1/4, 6 5/8. Now 6 5/8, let me get my paper piercing tool so I can show you on my trimmer, because there's a gap here at 6 1/2. So on the arm, right before it starts with this layer right here for the extender part of the trimmer, I'm calling that the 6 5/8, okay? So I'm just gonna slide that down right before it gets to that white piece, and we're going to score that at 6 5/8. And then we're going to slide it down to 9 3/4 and score. Okay, so now we're going to turn it on the 9 3/4 side, and we're going to score it at 1 3/4 and 8. Okay, so that's all the trimmer. I find that if you fold your score lines first before you cut your score lines, it will show up a little bit easier, at least for me, especially if you're using busy designer paper. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold all these score lines. Okay, so on the 1 3/4 and the 8-inch score line, we're going to cut all these score lines right there. So let me grab my paper snips. Okay, so now you have all your tabs cut. Okay, so after you've cut your piece, which I've already went ahead and added the tear and tape, and then also I added the corner rounder. So you can use your envelope punch board, which looks like this, or you can use your detailed trio punch. Okay, so either one of the corner rounders will work, and this is totally optional. You do not have to corner round the corners of your box, but it does give it a finished look. So I went ahead and already added the tear and tape. So let me put this way here. So you have the 1 inch down here. So you have tear and tape here. You can also use fast fuse or your liquid glue. So tear and tape is what I used here. Then you have no tear and tape here. Then tear and tape here. Now remember, when you're putting this box together, you don't want to put it over here, because when the box goes together, this part will be exposed on the inside, okay? After you make your first one, it'll totally make sense. So we have adhesive here, here, and then here, okay? So let me go ahead and peel off all the backings and we'll put this box together. Okay, so we have all our tear and tape. Now we're going to put the box together. So I'm going to start down here at the 1 inch, and this piece is going to be folded in. I'm going to do both sides. Okay, so then this piece is going to be folded up on the outside of this edge right here. This is what makes the corner rounder on the points make it look like a finished box. It just makes it look really nice. But like I said, you don't have to do that. All right, and then we're just going to bring this piece over here. Actually, I'm going to use my bone folder. Okay, so now that's the bottom of your box. Now we're going to assemble the top of the box, which is the flip top. And we're just going to go ahead and put this piece over top of here. And then this piece over here. Just like that. And this box closes so nice. All right, so this is the box. And then when you close it, it fits so snug when it closes. So nice. All right, so now one more thing. You can add a little finger hole here if you want. I'm going to grab my 2-inch circle punch. And once again, this is totally optional. And you can use any size circle that you want. But I'm just going to go ahead and slide this punch, centering it on the front panel here. And about halfway or maybe even a quarter of the way, punch your circle. I guess right about there looks good. Okay, so then when you close your box, it's going to give it a little finger hole right there so they can open it up a little bit easier. Okay, all right, so now let's go ahead and do some stamping. Okay, so for my stamped images, I'm using the brand new cling stamp in the Occasions catalog, and this is Hey Love. We're using this really cute gorilla, and then we're also stamping I'm Ape Over You, and then we're using the brand new rectangle framelits. Oh my gosh, we finally got rectangle framelits. I'm so excited. So this is also available in a bundle, and it's with the Amazing Life stamp set. And like I said, both of these items are in the Occasions catalog right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and stamp our little greeting and our little gorilla. So I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to use the Memento ink. I'm going to stamp our gorilla. So cute. Okay, and then we're going to stamp I'm Ape Over You. I'm going to stamp this fairly close. The 3 colors that I'm using are the Smoky Slate and the Light and the Dark. So this is the combo for the Smoky Slate. And then this is the Real Red in the Dark. Now you might remember the Real Red isn't in the annual catalog. This was carried over from the holiday catalog. So the Real Red Stampin' Blends are still available, but we're only going to use the dark one today. And we're going to color the heart in with this dark Real Red. So let me go ahead and color in this image. Okay, so let's grab our Big Shot. Okay, so we're going to be using these 2 sizes here of the rectangles. We're going to use the smallest one and cut out the gorilla with the greeting. So cute. All right, then the next color we're going to use for the next size up in the rectangle, we're going to use another piece of the Petal Pink. Okay, so let's go ahead and move the Big Shot. Okay, so we're going to put all our layers together now. So let me go ahead and grab my snail. And these rectangles are stitched rectangle framelits. That's even better. Okay, and we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. And this is going to go right in the center here. So cute. All right, now one more thing. I did add a bow. And this is the brand new Petal Pink Whisper White 5/8 Variegated ribbon. It is so soft and beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I went ahead and already tied a bow. And I'm going to use a glue dot to put that onto the corner of my little greeting here. Isn't that cute? All right, so now let me show you how much candy this holds. So let me grab my little bowl of candy. It holds quite a bit of candy, actually. So I have my little bowl here. I'm just gonna grab some handfuls of candy just to kind of give you a visual of how much this box actually holds with candy. Holds a lot. This would be a really cute gift for Valentine's Day. Or really a birthday, anything. Okay, so let's close it up. Oh my gosh, isn't that cute? I love it. Love this box. All right, so then here's this one, the one that I made previously. And then here's one that's similar to the one that we made in the glitter pit yesterday. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And if you liked the video, click the like button down below this video. And then if you love the video, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.